Hello guys, this is Raja. Welcome to Teacher's Guide. Today we'll discuss about how to make a calendar. The question is how many days in a leap year? Actually, a leap year has 366 days. And an ordinary year has 52 weeks, 1 day, 6 hours. Means 365 days and 6 hours. If an ordinary year has then 365 days and 6 hours, then why an leap years or how leap years has 366 days? Today we will know about how leap year has 366 days. And we know that if a year is divided by 4 and the remainder is 0, then this year will be a leap year, like 2012, 2016, 2020, 2024, 2028. Okay. We know that an ordinary year has 365 days and 6 hours. And let's see, every 4 years means 6 will be add 4 times. After 4 years, if you multiply by 4, and the result comes out 365 days and 24 hours. 24 hours means 1 day. Hence 365 plus 1 becomes 366. Thus a leap year has 366 days. And what is a century? What is a century? If a year is divided by 100 is called a century. If a year is divided by 100 is called a century. Example, 18th century, 19th century, 20th century, 21st century, 22nd century. All are divided by 100. All are divided by 100. If we take 21st century, if we divide by 100, then it will become, the remainder will become 0. Hence, it is a century. One more information is, the February month of an ordinary year has 28 days and a leap year has 29 days. We already have seen that a leap year has an extra day, 1 day extra. Thus, the February month of a leap year has 29 days. Okay. Let's see how day and dates are calculated in calendar. If today is 18 January 2023 and Sunday is 18, Monday is 19 January 20, 21, 22, 23 and Saturday is 24 January. Here we see that next Sunday will be 25 January. Let's subtract 18 from 25, we will get 7. So, if we add 7, then we will repeat the same day. Here, every after 7 days, repeat the same day. Okay. Actually, today is Wednesday, 18th January. So, if we add 7, it will be 25th January. Then 25th January will be Wednesday. Okay. Now, one question is, if a boy or girl born on the date of 29th February, then when she will celebrate his next birthday. We know that 2020 is a leap year. So it has a 29 days on the month of February. Look at 2021 will be an ordinary year. And it has not a extra day. means it has 28 days on the month of February, and February month will be 28. If we minus 1 from 29, it will become 28, and the one remaining will be fall on the 21st March, will be fall on the 1st March of the next month. So her birthday will be 1st March of 2021. Let's know that how we can make a calendar. Okay, you may see in the calendar that before 2 year or 3 year they set the calendar. How they set the calendar? To do know, suppose Sunday. If Sunday is 1, Monday is 2nd January, and thus 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th and 7. Look, if you add 7, the day will be 8. And if we add 7, the day will be 15. If we add 7, the date will be 22. If we add 7, the date will be 29. Look, after 7 days, repeat the same date. Repeat the same date in Sunday. And thus, calendar are made. Also look at that. If Tuesday is 3rd January, suppose 2023, 3rd January is Tuesday. If we add 7, it will become 10th January, Wednesday. Repeating the same day, if we add 7, it will become 17th January, and repeating the same day, Tuesday. Okay. In this way, by this rule, suppose today is 1st January, Sunday, and we have to find out 29th January, which day? 29th January, which day? 1st January is Sunday, and 29th January, which day? Let me show you. First of all, we have to take the date from which we have to find out the day. The date is 29th January, and today's date is 1st January. At first, we have to subtract 1 from 29th January. Then it will be 28. And now we will divide by 7, and we get there is no remainder. So 29th January will be Sunday. In this way, you can find day from any of the date of a month. Thank you guys. Keep supporting and watching. Stay connected with Teacher's Guide. Thank you.